A private oceanfront sanctuary reimagined for modern living. Introducing Casa Ducci in Pedregal CSL, Cabo San Lucas. This 4-bedroom, approximately 2,391 square foot, 2-story concrete residence, originally built in 2006 and fully remodeled in 2023, presents panoramic Pacific vistas and an intentional flow that marries indoor refinement with alfresco ease. The main level unfolds onto an expansive terrace with a resort-style pool and jacuzzi, an integrated bar and barbecue area beneath a shaded pergola, and broad decks designed for sunset entertaining and unobstructed ocean viewing. Inside, marble floors and a fully appointed kitchen with premium appliances and a wine fridge anchor elegant living and dining spaces, while 4 private suites, generous bathrooms, a dedicated office, laundry and storage rooms, and a potential loft offer flexibility for family and guests. Thoughtful details, central air, a cozy fireplace, furnished interiors, and a 2-car garage complement the gated community lifestyle, where guarded entry, a gym, spa and tennis courts, and nearby beach and marina access enhance both privacy and leisure. Casa Ducci is a rare Pedregal oasis that feels like a private club with dramatic coastal presence. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.